The world of coin collecting is filled with remarkable treasures, and among the most coveted pieces are rare and valuable U.S. coins that can turn an ordinary collector into a millionaire overnight. One such gem is the 1892 Morgan dollar with the US Mint mark, a coin that stands out not only for its age and history, but also for its extraordinary value in today's market. Understanding what makes this coin so special is key to appreciating its significance and knowing how to identify its true worth. The Morgan dollar series, first introduced in 1878, hold a legendary status among collectors. Named after its designer, George T. Morgan, these silver dollars became symbols of American heritage, struck from 90% silver and 10% copper. While Morgan dollars are generally valuable, the 1892 US Morgan dollar is a standout rarity that commands incredible prices, sometimes reaching millions of dollars in pristine condition. What makes the 1892 US Morgan dollar exceptionally valuable is its low mintage and survival rate. While over 1.2 million pieces were struck at the San Francisco Mint in 1892, most were heavily circulated, worn down, or melted in later years. Finding one in uncirculated condition, particularly in MS 65 or MS 66 grades, is incredibly rare. In fact, high-grade examples have set record-breaking auction prices, with some fetching over $1 million in recent years. Another factor driving its value is the historical backdrop of the coin. The 1892 US Morgan dollar emerged during a time of economic instability and silver surplus in the United States. Many coins from this period were stored in vaults, later melted, or spent without regard for their future value. This scarcity in top condition makes the surviving high-grade coins exceedingly desirable. Collectors actively seek out key features when identifying a valuable 1892 US Morgan dollar. The most crucial detail is the US Mint mark, found just above the "do" in dollar on the reverse side. This mark indicates it was minted in San Francisco, a mint known for producing some of the finest quality Morgan dollars in American history. Combined with sharp details in Liberty's hair, the eagle's feathers, and the wreath, these features signal a well-preserved coin with exceptional value. Condition is everything in the coin collecting world, and for the 1892 US Morgan dollar, finding one with minimal wear, strong luster, and clean surfaces is incredibly rare. Coins graded by professional services like PCGS or NGC in Mint State 65, MS 65, or higher can command astonishing prices. Even lower-grade examples in fine, F12, or very fine, VF20, conditions are worth hundreds or thousands of dollars due to their scarcity. For those fortunate enough to possess an 1892 US Morgan dollar, securing a professional appraisal is crucial. Coin grading services can verify authenticity, assess condition, and provide an accurate market value. Without certification, rare coins are often undervalued, and unscrupulous dealers may attempt to purchase them far below their true worth. In recent years, record-breaking auctions have shocked the coin collecting community. A pristine 1892 US Morgan dollar in MS 67 grade once sold for over $1.2 million, showcasing just how rare top-quality examples have become. Even in MS 63 or MS 64 grades, this coin can still fetch six-figure prices at major numismatic auctions. The mystique surrounding rare Morgan dollars fuels excitement for collectors worldwide. Stories often circulate about lucky individuals discovering these coins in old boxes, forgotten collections, or even inside coin jars. The thrill of finding an 1892 US Morgan dollar hiding in plain sight is what drives passionate collectors to continue searching. For those entering the world of coin collecting, learning about the key dates, mint marks, and grading standards is essential. The 1892 US Morgan dollar is a prime example of how knowledge can unlock incredible financial potential. With patience, research, and determination, collectors can uncover hidden treasures that rival the rarest gems in the numismatic world. If you suspect you may own one of these coveted coins, resist the temptation to sell it quickly. Instead, Seek advice from reputable dealers, attend coin shows, or consult certified grading services to ensure you receive the maximum value for your treasure. The value of an 1892 Morgan dollar will only continue to grow as collectors recognize its significance and scarcity. In a world of rare coins, the thrill of discovering a valuable piece like the 1892 Morgan dollar is unparalleled. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or a curious beginner, understanding the stories behind these coins can transform a simple hobby